Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Na. I hope you had a wonderful Easter. Now let me show you how I made my carrot cake with the best cheese frosting ever. It's so good. So we started with about 3 or 4 large carrots using the grater. You grate the carrots and then you sift your flour. Sifting allows air to go in nicely, gives you a more fluffy texture, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder also sifted in, 1 teaspoon also of bicarbonate soda, and then I add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, some cinnamon, also 1 teaspoon, and then a little bit of salt. So a little bit, that's about half teaspoon of salt, and you grate about half teaspoon also of nutmeg in, so the nutmeg gives it an amazing fragrance. So you set this aside. So it's time for our butter, and this is about 2 sticks of butter with half cup of brown sugar. So I don't like my cakes too sweet, so half cup for me it works perfectly. So you're gonna beat this until it's pale and fluffy, you know, that you don't feel the grains of the sugar, and half teaspoon of vanilla in there, and whisk that again until the texture is very fluffy. I'm gonna add 4 eggs into the butter, 1 at a time. So whilst you add 1 in, then you keep whisking until all the 4 eggs are in. So this allows it to incorporate really well and very smoothly. So now we're gonna add our flour to the butter, and I like to do it a little at a time, so that I can actually gauge the quantity of flour that should go in there. So I whisk that very gently for about a minute, making sure that it's well incorporated. So guys, I forgot to film this part, but add the grated carrots to the flour. Once you mix it with the butter, add the carrots to the flour and gently spread it around in a greased pan. The cream cheese frosting, I use half cup of cream cheese, together about half cup of melted margarine, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and then a few drops of vanilla essence, mixed together until it's quiet, fluffy, cloudy, and creamy. Next, you add half cup of confectioner's sugar. So as you keep whisking, you can be tasting and adjusting the sweetness. So if half cup is not enough, you can add a little bit more, but for me half cup was just perfect, and this was ready. It looked fluffy and cloudy, the texture was just right and ready. And then I chopped some walnuts, so you can chop some cashew or some peanuts. So this was a perfect topping to my cake, which is ready. Insert a toothpick in. If it comes out dry, ready to go. That was just beautiful, just so beautiful. I was so happy about this cake. And you add your frosting to it, but first allow the cake to cool down about 10-15 minutes before you do the frosting. I'm not the best expert at frosting, but yeah. Yeah, so I was really happy about this. I have my friends Dr. Echan to thank you, and Mrs. T, thank you for the tips that you gave me. And then you top this off with the chopped walnuts. This was just an amazing cake. The experience was so good.
Hey guys!
Hi!
See who came to visit! So this is Shari.
Yes!
And Sherry's going to try our carrot cake.
Yes.
And I'm so excited.
Me too. It looks so good.
It looks so good, I know. Oh wow. It looks really amazing. Ooh. Okay.
The icing stuff is so nice.
Yeah. So this is cream cheese. Oh. And Mama.
So. It's really warm.
Yeah.
Moist.
It's moist.
Not too sweet.
Exactly.
And the crunch of the nuts.
The
so
nuts.
Nice.
It's a good balance, right? With the frosting.
Love it. Did you put some ginger inside?
Yes, I did. So there's cinnamon and there's nutmeg. So I wanted the ginger to add a little bit of spice. You can feel the ginger.
I can feel the ginger.
Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna have mine. So
Don't eat faster or farmer.
I know I baked this, but I'm always surprised by the results. Like,
I'm not someone who likes icing, but I can eat all of this.
Yeah, and the icing is not too sweet.
It's not too sweet.
Yeah.
Or
So I
heavy.
reduced the amount of sugar for the frosting. And this is good for tea or coffee, right?
Yes. This one in the cold weather.
It's raining.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Some warm carrot cake.
The walnuts makes it perfect. Hi guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.